Now let us see how we can create a wonderful YouTube channel and how we can upload video for that new YouTube channel and how we can get views and subscribers for that new YouTube channel. Just sign in with your email ID. Just click on the profile picture of this email ID. Click there and you can see here there will be an option called create a channel, and you can see here this is a new Gmail ID and in which I will create my YouTube channel. So click create channel. So I will create a new channel. So the YouTube will ask your creator journey begins. One thing is very important when you do anything in the online, just read it completely before you click anything. Just read it completely so that you can understand everything. If you can't understand anything, then click learn more here. Whatever the thing is, if you creating a Facebook account or whatever, any digital things, you just need to understand one thing. Just read all those things there are in that tab or page, because you just spend 2 minutes reading those articles or the sentences whichever mentioned in that tab or page. So here YouTube is saying your creator journey begins. Pursuing your creative passions, connecting with your audience and sharing your stories begin with creating your channel. So YouTube is welcoming us with its wonderful sentence, and we just need to get started with this. And you can see there are two options. Choose how to create your channel. Use your name. Create a channel using the name and picture on your Google account. What will happen if you click here? Like if you select here, what will happen? A YouTube channel will create according to the Gmail name. Whatever the name you given to your Gmail ID, in that name YouTube channel will be created. Here you can see here. But in another option, use a custom name. Here you can use a custom name. Custom name means whatever name you wanted. Create a channel using a brand or other name and picture. If you select here, you can create a channel with your interested name and your interested picture, profile picture, whatever. But here you can only have an account with your email ID name and the same profile picture what you have for your Gmail ID. I will prefer to choose this one because this is very important. You can create a custom channel, you can change your name, you can change your profile picture of your YouTube channel. So that will be really easy to maintain your channel. You can add some of the managers who can manage your comment and who can manage your YouTube channel in this custom name YouTube channel. As a reminder, we may share non-personally identifiable information related to your channel and or videos with our partners, including advertisers and right holders. YouTube is saying as a reminder, we may share non-personally identifiable information related to your channel. It might share some of the information with the advertisers and right holders for its growth or for the revenue growth. So I will select this one, custom name, select here, click here, select, and then you add a channel name. You can use your brand's name or another name. A good channel name represents you and your content. You can change your name at any time. This is okay. You can change your name anytime in YouTube. I will name my channel as Sharj Digitals and I can change it at any time. There will be a tick mark box. I understand that I am creating a new Google account with its own settings, including YouTube search and watch history. I should click here. Before that, you can view and change your Google account settings anytime at myaccount.google.com. Your channel name will be linked to your brand account managed by this Gmail ID. Learn more about channels and brand accounts by selecting create. You agree to YouTube terms of service. By clicking this create button, you are agreeing with the YouTube terms and policies. So just click create. The next thing is nice work, your channel Sharj Digital has been created. Next, follow these steps to complete your channel. You can do these steps now or come back to them later. So this is not important. If you want, you can do now, or otherwise you can come later. So I will advise you to do now only. Upload a profile picture. Your profile picture appears next to your videos, comments and other places. It's your signature image on YouTube. So upload a profile picture. Profile picture is one of the most attractive thing in a channel. So upload a profile picture in a good quality, good editing. If you have knowledge of good editing, I will upload a simple profile picture. I will change that profile picture later on my days. I'm just showing how to create a channel. I just did one profile picture. and you can see here Charge Digital profile picture. Your profile picture is linked to your Google account. Any changes will show on your account and channel and may take few minutes to apply. We recommend a square or round picture. So your profile picture should be 800 into 800 pixels, and you can use the format as PNG, GIF, BMP and JPEG format with a size of 4 MB or less. And the next thing is tell viewers about your channel. Let viewers know what or whom your videos are about, and your description can show up in search results and other places. So this is a channel description, and YouTube is saying let viewers know what or whom your videos are about. So what YouTube is saying, let your viewers know what type of videos you upload in your channel and to whom those videos can be watchable. So if you give a description, people will completely understand what type of channel is yours and for whom you are creating a videos. And the next thing will be your description can show up in search result and other places. So the description thing will show up in search results and other places also. So description is very important for your channel. So let us write some descriptions for my channel. As we all know, we start with hi or hello, and I will type hi. You can write anything as you wished. You can write stylish, you can give paragraphs, you can give brackets or whatever. I will just simply write these stuffs. Now say what type of videos you create in your channel. Now ask them to subscribe, like and follow your channel. Give a thank you message. So this is it. This is okay for your channel description. You can change however you wanted. You can write so many things. There is a capacity of 1000 words and you can write anything you wanted. Now we go to add links to your site. You can add your website link, you can add your social media link, you can add your Twitter link, you can add your Instagram link. There are 5 limits for adding links in your YouTube channel. You can add 5 links for your YouTube channel. So you can add your website, you can add your social link, any of the social links here, and you can do it later also, or you can add now only. So I will update my social media links later. So I will click save and continue. So our channel has been created. You can see here our channel has created. You can see the profile picture, you can see the name, there are no subscribers, and you can see how the new channel looks. See, so what we can do is our description comes here. See, this is simple description. When you joined, can be seen here, 26 December 2020. So our channel has been created. Now we must customize our channel. For that you must go to Creator Studio, YouTube Studio, and you just click that YouTube Studio. You can see here your YouTube Studio where you can edit anything of your YouTube channel, and you can see here channel dashboard is there. You don't have any videos, you don't have any subscribers, you don't have any views, you don't have any watch time, you don't have any notifications. So go to this setting button, go to settings and click this general. There will be a currency, default currency. Keep it as US dollar only, because it looks good when you see your revenue in US dollar. Then go to channel, click on channel, and there will be 3 options: basic info, advanced setting, feature, eligibility. The name of the channel is Charge Digital, and you should select your country. I will choose my country as India. Choose the country where you currently based. You must choose your country where you are based now. So here it is a keyword. You must use your channel keyword, like what type of channel is yours, and you must use channel name or something. It is like when people search your channel, but like when you get fame or name, or when your video gets viral or something, when people search for your channel, like if one of my video gets viral and some of the people say there is a video in Charge Digital about YouTube that is getting good response, and one person hears that thing from any of his friends or something, he will just search for Charge Digital in YouTube. At that time this keyword will help him. So you must use keyword related to your channel. So I will first use a keyword of my channel. So I will type it as Charge Digital, and second thing will be I just write Charge, and the third thing will be YouTube, because I will create videos regarding YouTube and all. Next I will enter as digital, because I will create videos regarding digital things, Instagram, Facebook and also. Just click save here. Okay, again go to settings. Once you finish that, settings have been saved. So Again go to settings and channel and then advanced settings. Now here there is audience. Simplify your workflow by selecting a channel setting. If you skip this question, you will be required to identify each video on your channel that's made for kids. These settings will affect existing and future videos. Settings for individual videos will override the channel settings. So they are saying these settings will include all your videos, and this might change the old videos also. But there was a thing happened with the YouTube few years back that there was a kid in US or some other nation just has been suicided by watching a YouTube video. On that case, those parents filed a case against YouTube regarding their kid's death. YouTube has to pay the fine of big amount to the parents of those kids. After that, they included these options. Now YouTube creators must say whether their videos are related to kids or not, or they want to review their videos. So this is very simple. If you focusing kids, then click yes. If you're not focusing your videos to the kids, then say no. If your videos are related to kids, then click yes, this channel is made for kids. I always upload contents that made for kids. If it is not for kids, no, set this channel has not made for kids. So I will suggest you to keep it as no, because there is a problem with this one. Yes, set this channel as for kids, because we don't get much ads for kids related channel after that issue. So I will set it as no, set this channel has made for not made for kids. I will never upload contents that made for kids. So Google Ads account linking, you can do it later, not important at the beginning. Auto-generated captions don't show potentially inappropriate words. Auto captioning occasionally makes mistakes. This settings prevents potentially inappropriate words from being displayed. You don't need to select this one. And the next thing will be subscriber count. Here is option display the number of people subscribed to my channel. When you don't have more than 5,000 subscribers, don't show your subscribers to your viewers, because there is a chances that people feel like, oh, this is a small channel, oh, this channel has been created few days back, or this channel has less subscribers. There is a chance that they don't click subscriber button. So don't show your subscribers for the new viewers until and unless you reach around 5,000 or 10,000 subscribers. After that, you can show your subscriber count to the viewers. I will don't select display the number of people subscribed to my channel. I won't show my subscriber count to the viewers. So advertisement, disable interest based ads. If you select this option, personalized ads will not show on your videos on your channel, such as ads based on viewers interest or remarketing ads. This will significantly reduce channel's revenue. In addition, earned action reports and remarketing leads will stop working to your channel. Disable interest based ads. Don't select this option. Don't disable interest based ads, because YouTube will show ads related to interest of the audience. YouTube will show ads to the viewers who is watching your video according to his interest. If you disable this, YouTube won't show interest based ads for the viewer. Then your CPM and CPC will get low and you don't get clicks for your ads which are running in your channel. So keep it as that only. Don't disable interest based ads. Click save. So now again go to settings and go to channel and go to feature eligibility, and you can see here some of the default features are enabled here. You can upload videos, create playlist, add collaborators and new videos to playlist. But there are features which needs phone number verifications. Videos over 15 minutes, custom thumbnails, live streaming, content ID appeals need phone number verification. To verify your phone number, click on this downside arrow mark, and you can see here there are features available if your channel is free of active community guideline strikes, and you will verify your phone number with us. If you upload a custom thumbnails, if you want to upload videos more than 15 minutes or live streaming or appealing content ID claims, you just need to verify your phone number. Click on this verify phone number and another tab will open to verify your phone number, and you can see here select your country first. You can see here verify your account by phone, select unlock conditions features. Those conditions will be unlocked if you verify your phone number. Your country is India. I choose my country as India in the settings section. And how should we deliver the verification code to you? I will choose text me as a verification code. Which language should we use to send the verification code? You can use default language as English. And what is your phone number? Now you should type your phone number and click submit. You will get a verification code for your mobile phone. And once you get that verification code, just type that verification code here and click submit. Congratulations, your account has been verified. So my account has been verified now. So go to YouTube Studio again. You can do live streaming, you can upload custom thumbnails, you can upload videos more than 15 minutes in your YouTube channel because you have been verified with your phone number. Go to channels and you can see here features that require phone number verifications has been enabled. The next section will be upload defaults. Click here. Here you can upload a default title, you can write some descriptions which is default. For every video you will get description like that. You can write whatever the description you want for your videos. I will keep it blank and I will write my description later. And visibility private. When you upload a video, you must keep your visibility as private. Once you complete uploading your videos and after doing all the tags, title and descriptions things, then only you can choose the visibility as public. Then only you can publish your video. Always remember, keep your visibility as private before publishing your video. Do all the settings, do all the editings before uploading a video. Tags also same for all your videos, but whenever you upload new video or other videos, there are chances that you might upload videos related to other tags. That time you can use other tags also. As you wish, you can use any tags for your default videos of all. So next thing will be advanced settings. There is a license, standard YouTube license, category. You can choose the category. Accordingly, there are 15 categories. I explained all the categories in the previous part, and my thing will be education because I educate people with the digital marketing skills and I will teach people how they can grow in digital things like YouTube, Facebook and also I will choose my category as education. So video language, you can choose your video language. If you are creating videos in Hindi, keep it as Hindi. Or if you're creating videos in English, keep it as English. I'm creating videos in English, so I will keep it as English. Caption certification, keep it as none. You don't need any caption certifications. And comments, there are 3 to 4 options. Allow all comments, hold potentially inappropriate comments for review, hold all comments for review, disable comments. Choose it as hold potentially inappropriate comments for review because there will be some comments which will be inappropriate. So you can review that comments and then only you can publish those comments in your YouTube videos. User can view ratings of your videos. So select that box, then save. Again go to settings, give permissions. There are options that you can manage permissions. You can add managers, you can add or you can hire people to manage your YouTube channel. At that time you can give permission to some of the people. This is not important in the beginning. Once you finishing all the things and once you do all the stuffs in YouTube and once you upload 10 to 20 videos, then you can keep some managers to manage your channel. The next thing will be community, moderators, approved users and all those things will be there. This is all not important. There are blocked words. Some people comment bad words in your comment box. If you wanted to block those words in your comment box, you can write that word. If anybody comments in that word, then that word will be blocked in your comment box and it won't show for all the users. And keep block links disabled because links should be blocked in your comment box. There are people who comment some of the links in your comment box. If anybody click those links, there is a chances that might be a spam and some people get issues by your comment box. So always block your links in your comment box. And then defaults, there is a comment section only. Hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. Comments on your discussions tab, all comments, allow all comments. Messages in your live chat, hold potentially inappropriate chat messages for review. Select this block, hold potentially inappropriate chat messages for review and save it. That is more important. And again go to settings and there is a thing called agreements. So all use of service is subjected to YouTube terms and services. There is an agreement of YouTube. All use of the service is subjected to YouTube terms and services. So close this and you finished with the settings of YouTube channel. In settings tab, main thing is category of your video, and main thing is comments, how you can manage your comments. Other thing is phone verification and channel keywords and country selections. Then whether your channel is made for kids or not, that is more important. Only those things are important, and other things can be managed later also in your YouTube journey, because in the start that is all not important. So let's move to our channel. I should upload my channel art, that is banner image for my channel. So I will customize my channel. I will upload my channel banner. So branding, go to branding. Here you can see banner image. This image will appear across the top of your channel. Here you can upload banner image for your channel. I will click upload here and I will choose an image for my channel banner, and I kept one image for my channel banner. I will use simple channel banner for now. This is fine, I guess. So click done. Okay, once you're done, your channel banner will be updated in your channel. So video watermark. The watermark will appear on your video in the right hand corner of your video player. When your video plays, your watermark will appear here at the downside. When persons keep their cursor or click that watermark, there will be an option called subscribe. YouTube will ask like want to subscribe this channel or something. So uploading a channel watermark is also very important. Upload here. You can use your logo only, use your profile picture only for your watermark. I will use that only. So that will be really easy. So I kept my channel watermark. So there are 3 times display times: end of the video, customer start time, entire video. I'll keep it as entire video. These are the 3 settings you should do when you create a channel. So our channel has been customized, our channel settings has been updated, and now the thing is to upload a video in our channels. You can see here there is no video in this channel and the 0 subscribers. You can see here my subscriber count is not showing here because I disabled that, showing my subscriber count to the viewers. Until and unless I reach 5,000 subscribers, I will keep that as disabled only. I won't show my subscriber count to the viewers, because viewer might feel that this is a small channel, or there is a chances that viewer don't click subscriber button because of small channel or less subscribers. There are some people like that. If you hide that subscriber count, there are chances that people don't have any idea how many subscribers are there for this channel, and they will click subscribe button and your subscriber count will grow.